Welcome to our YouTube channel, that is Odia Education Tutorial. Dear children, we will do the post reading question answers of the poem The Lost Camel. Number 1 is visual memory development technique, and number 2 is comprehension activities. हमें comprehension activities को करिया MCQs multiple choice questions गुड़ा कर देइछि. एक नंबर अच्छी the old man did not ask the merchants whether the camel dash. ऑप्शन अच्छी यार फर्स्ट ऑप्शन टी हब आंसर was lost. दी नंबर अच्छी the old man asked the merchants whether the camel was carrying dash. whether the camel was carrying wheat and honey. यार ऑप्शन ए हबो राइट आंसर. तीन नंबर अच्छी the merchants thought the old man dash. The merchant thought the old man had stolen the goods and killed the camel. Option B हबो राइट आंसर. चार नंबर अच्छी the old man knew the camel was blind in one eye because the leaves on only one side of the road had been eaten. ऑप्शन ए हेबो यार सठिक उत्तर. 5 नंबर अच्छी the judge found that the old man knew so much about the camel because dash. because he used his eyes to look all things. ऑप्शन सी होच यार राइट आंसर. एबे हमें सेशन 3 रो लिसनिंग पार्ट टी को करिवा. Listening part अच्छी listen to a teacher and fill in the gaps. Having dash, having eyes, having eyes लिखिवा is not enough. Be intelligence, be intelligent. Be intelligent. And when you dash, and when you find, when you find your camel, look after it well. Look after it well. Don't leave it alone. Don't leave it alone. Don't give it load to carry. To carry. एबे स्पीकिंग पार्टी करिवा. चेन रील सरप्राइज camel. Do not give the camel heavy load. डायलॉग अच्छी old man merchants. सेशन 5 vocabulary पार्ट अच्छी देखो. लुक अच्छी मिडिल ले एवं लुक लगी की ऑफ फॉर आफ्टर लगी की हमें वर्ड गुड़ा को लिखिबा. वर्ड को लिखले लुक फॉर, लुक अप, लुक आफ्टर. बी पार्ट अच्छी टेक केयर. यार मीनिंग गुड़ा को देछि हम मीनिंग को मैच करिबा. लुक फॉर माने होछि खोजिबा, सर्च. लुक अप माने हमें डिक्शनरी रे किछि गोटे वर्ड को खोजिबा होछि लुक अप. लुक आफ्टर माने टेक केयर, जत्न नबा. एबे यूसेज अछि 6. The old man asked 5 questions in paragraph 2 and 3. Write them below. First अच्छी is it an old animal. First लिखा होला is it an old animal. Next हमें लिखी परिवा second रे is it lame in one leg. Is it lame in one leg. in one leg क्वेश्चन दबा. तापर थर्ड रे अछि is it blind in the left eye. लिख पे हमें is it blind in the left eye. फोर्थ रे अछि इज द camel carrying wheat on one side of its back. Is the camel carrying wheat on one side of its back. क्वेश्चन मार्क कहबो भी रे अछि isn't the camel carrying isn't the camel carrying isn't the camel carrying honey on the other side. On the other side. Next achi now write the statements form of these questions. The first one is done for you. एबे ए प्रश्नवाचक जो वाक्य हमें बनेले से गुडा स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म रे लिखिबा हाँ सूचक वाक्य रे लिखिबा. फर्स्ट अच्छी इट इज एन ओल्ड एनिमल. सेकेंड आम लिखा इट इज लेम इन वन लेग. इट इज लेम इन वन लेग. इट इज लेम इन वन लेग. सेकेंड बिट अच्छी ये गला. थर्ड अच्छी एक स्टेटमेंट लिख लेबो इट इज ब्लाइंड इन दी लेफ्ट आई. इट इज ब्लाइंड इन दी लेफ्ट आई. लेफ्ट आई. फोर्थ रे हबो the camel is carrying wheat on one side of its back. Here the camel is carrying honey on the other side. Next achi answer the following questions. What is this story about? Your answer about the story is about the intelligence of a wise old man. Second bit achi what was the camel carrying? Camel ti kon bohitila? The camel was carrying wheat and honey. Question third, who is intelligent in the story? The answer is the old man is intelligent in the story. Fourth achi who is kind? The answer about the judge is kind. Fifth achi why do you think the merchants were cruel? The answer about the merchants were cruel because they had given the camel heavy loads to carry even though it was old lame and blind in the left eye. Next अच्छे हमें first solve the puzzle. Puzzle रो किसी क्लू दिया है ची सी क्लू को बेस करी क्या मैं puzzle टी को solve करिया. One अच्छी taking something from one place to another. The word is taken from carry. Carry रो हमें टी लिख पड़ेगा carriage. 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 Second rochi a kind of grain from which we get flour and make roti. गोटे प्रकार शस्य जो आमे अटा पाऊ एवं रोटी तैयारी करूँ ताहा होची व्हीट. WHEAT. 3 रे अच्छी ए फॉर्म ऑफ कम. कम रो गोटे रूप होची कैम. पास्ट फॉर्म टा CAME. नेक्स्ट अच्छी a sweet and sticky thing made from flowers by bees. ये होची honey. HONEY. 5 रे अच्छी no longer young. Old. OLD. Next हमें करिवा next write about the camel using the words from the puzzle. The camel was old. It was lame in one leg. It was blind in the left eye. It was carrying wheat on one side of its back. It was also carrying honey on the other side. It belongs to 2 merchants and it was lost in the desert. Then mental talk अच्छी. mental talk में मानसिक स्तर रे चिंतन करिवा. मानसिक मेमोरी जोटा माने मानसिक स्तर रे कहिवा. लेट्स थिंक एति किथला पोस्ट रीडिंग रो क्वेश्चन जो गुडा हम आंसर करलु. पुणी हमें नेक्स्ट वीडियो आ किछ प्रश्न नै समाधान करिवा.